Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to download Epson M205 printer driver on Windows. So the first thing that we are going to do is to open our browser. Once you open your browser, on the search bar, just search for Epson M205 driver download and then click on enter. After that, in this part, you would be able to see it right here. So just click the first link. After that, for the operating system, make sure that you're using the correct operating system right here. To know that, just go into our search bar and then search for system information. After that, click on open. And then you would be able to see it under the system type, which is 64, and then for the OS name, which is Windows 11. So on the operating system, just look for the operating system that you're using. And then for the country and region, just choose where you are located. After that, just scroll down and then you will see the printer driver right here. So what we're going to do is to click on proceed to download and then scroll down once again and then click on I agree and then click on download. After that, let's wait for this to finish. And then once it is done, we're going to click on show in folder and then we're going to double click on it. After that, just click on OK and then click on OK once again and then click on agree, OK. And then let's wait for this to finish. Now, while we're waiting, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. That would be much appreciated. And then after that, in this part, we're going to click on USB connection and then click on OK. After that, we're going to click on manual. And then in this part, all you have to do is to look for any USB available ports right here. So if you see any USB port, make sure that you use that. However, in my case, I don't have any USB port, so I'm going to click on null. After that, I'm going to click on OK. And then after that, once it is installed, what we're going to do is to into the search bar and then search for printers. Then after that, we're going to click on open. After that, if you scroll down, you will now be able to see the printer, which is right here. So that is basically it.